Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Ammon Weesey, and here with me is Jeff Hansen, and we'd like to welcome you to the first course in our new series for Administering Windows Server 2012. Now, this series is designed to give you the skills and information you need to know to pass the 7411 exam from Microsoft.
That's right. And in this course, we're going to cover the deployment, maintenance, and monitoring processes required when using Windows Server 2012 network infrastructure. Now, in the first section, we will deal with how to deploy the operating system by using images.
Okay.
Now, as you know, doing image-based deployment is far more efficient in large network environments than doing manual installation from installation media. Now, however, as we will see, image-based deployment requires more thorough planning and testing in order to implement it successfully. Now, once the server is installed and deployed in an enterprise, there are consistent procedures that must be performed in order to provide a stable environment. Now, of course, these include things like installing, keeping all of your systems updated, and installing software that your users need. And then finally, we will look at tools and techniques that you can use to perform ongoing monitoring of your Windows systems so that you can keep your systems working at peak efficiency.
That's right. You know, to get things going, Jeff, I think in this chapter, let's look at deploying and managing server images. Now, image deployment can be far more efficient than manual installation, right? As Jeff talked about earlier, especially in large network environments. However, image deployment will require far more preparation than standard installation methods, and this preparation will involve multiple components and technologies, such as Windows Deployment Services, or WDS. Now, WDS is a server role in Windows Server 2012 that provides a foundational component on which the imaging infrastructure is built. Now, we'll look at the installation of WDS as well as the management of images and the deployment process.